Hello mga beautiful people! Kamusta naman kayo dyan? So tonight nga, ilalabas kami ng asawa ko. Sabi niya ilalabas niya daw ako dahil medyo naboboard na ako sa bahay at ngayon ay pupunta po tayo ng isasama namin kayo. Pupunta tayo ng Dubai Mall at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong meron doon. Napakaraming attractions po kahit nasa loob tayo ng mall. So let's go!
Yes, oh my God, we're here. Dubai Mall. And it's already like 9 p.m. and still much people are coming. What is this?
From
It's all going.
Diba? Ang dami na rin tao guys. Hindi na natutulog ang Dubai. What is this? So looking for parking. Oh, I'm so full.
What's happening? You're
Going to wait.
still
Mag-antay po tayo.
Searching.
Meron pang naalis.
lost. It's lost the car. Look. You have a place, but nothing is there.
It was mentioned one, right?
Yeah, have green, but nothing is there. And this.
Okay, we found the parking. Yalla, yalla bina. So, ito po ang ice rink dito sa Dubai Mall. And merong food court on the side. So, isa po sa mga attractions dito sa loob ng Dubai Mall ay itong falls, waterfalls po dito. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Ganda, diba? Meron pa ang cafe on the side. Hollywood is coming! Nice setup. Happy Halloween!
They don't allow people to enter.
Ay naku guys, ang daming tao sa Apple dahil sa bagong release na iPhone. Look at that. So ngayon nga guys, titingnan namin yung bagong gawa na fountain. Kasi kakabalik niya lang, kakagawa niya lang noong October 1. O, matutunghayan natin ngayon kung anong changes. But let's see, oh my God, ang daming tao guys. So ito nga, ito yung Dubai Mall. This side. At ayan yung pinakamataas na building sa buong mundo, which is Burj Khalifa. Wow, stunning. Look at the people. Ang daming tao lagi dito. Lalo na ngayon, mag-winter na. Ngayon medyo mainit-init pa. So, andito tayo sa Supal Bahar ngayon. And we will try to find a good spot to see the fountain. And I think we found a good one here. Look at that! Wow! Ayan ang Dubai Mall. Ayan ang Burj Khalifa. At yan ang mga tao guys. Look at that. Ang dami. Ang daming tao. Diba? Gusto naman. Alam nyo guys, ang dami talaga nag-aantay dito sa fountain na to. Kasi ang tagal niya naging close. Hindi na namin maalala. Basta ang tagal niya nag-close. Noong October 1 lang siya nagbukas. So I think in 5 minutes mag-start na yung fountain. Kasi every 30 minutes siya. O diba guys, ang ganda. Dito guys, pwede kang mag-ride ng boat sa loob. Ayan, nire-rentahan din niya. Hindi ko lang sure kung magkano. Pero diba, ang ganda ng view. Ano naman ang view? It's so priceless. Kung i-rent mo yan, dalawa lang kayo namang jowa. Diba? Ang romantic ng dating. Tapos yan Tingnan yung view mo. Worth of billions view. Nakatawag. Yun lang. Ano masasabi mo? What do you say about the new fountain?
The same. Make new.
Parehas lang siya. Pero actually, yung kanyang mismong fountain, yung pinanggagalingan ng kanyang ng tubig, sumasayo na siya ngayon. Gumaganon-ganon na siya. Dati walang ganon. Di ba? Tingnan niyo naman ang tao, guys. Tingnan niyo naman ang mga tao, guys. Ayan na. Pabalik na sila ng mall. O, di ba? Isang direction lang. Pabalik ng mall. So, ito na nga guys, meron akong isa pang interesting na ipapakita sa inyo dito sa Dubai Mall. So, isa din sa mga pinupuntahan dito is etong napakalaking aquarium. Tingnan nyo naman, may mga shark. So, diba? Chill-chill lang ang mga shark. Ang laki niyan. Hindi lang siya halata sa camera, pero ang laki niyan. Tingnan nyo naman, chill lang talaga siya. Ganyan siya kalaki, guys. Napakalaki ng aquarium dito. So, isa to sa pinupuntahan ng mga tao dito. Diba? Ang laki niya. So, wala lang tayong chance ngayon na makakita ng mga taong nagda-dive sa loob ng aquarium. Meron din magandang viewing dun sa taas, pero dito tayo sa ground floor. So, ayan nga, may iba't ibang species dyan sa loob ng aquarium. Kilala niyo ba yan? Hindi ko yan kilala eh. Hanap tayong iba. Ayan, may shark ulit. Ang daming isda sa loob. Ayan na guys, di ko sila kilala. Si Prim yata yan. Ayan naman, ano yan? Anong isda yan? Yeah. Kaya, kilala ko yan. Yan, tingnan niyo naman. Pero ano ba yung nasa tainga niya? Bakit ganyan? Parang galit na galit siya. Ano ba yan? Hinahanap yata ako. Yan, parang sarap niyang prituhin. Ano ba masarap dyan? Prituhin natin. I-grill natin, guys. Diba? Dito walang crabbing eh. There's no crabbing here ko. Fishing only. Fishing only. Look. They're also fighting. Oh my God. Napakalaki niya. Tignan niyo. Oh my God. Ang laki. Diba? Nag-away na sila. Ayan. Kilala mo yan? Hamur. Diba? Ito namang isa parang feeling butterfly. Feeling butterfly. Oh my God. Oh my God. Diba? Ang daming ulam guys. Diba yan? Dito kami ngayon sa Arabica. Magtitry daw siya ng matcha. So, titry namin. Ito na yung matcha namin. Now it's going to try. How is it?
Good.
Good?
Even unsweetened is good.
We should have tried the matcha in Philippines. Right? Let me try.
Very, very good. Very, very good. Coconut milk is amazing. Feel it?
I don't know guys. I will.
Really gives it a very good feel. Feel it? Get the coconut feeling?
I don't like the coconut milk.
Come on.
Maybe almond milk is better than this.
Shake this. Little bit.
Diba? Ang gulo ng buhok ko. My hair is so messy. Hindi ko siya gusto. Kayo guys, gusto niyo ba ang matcha? Gusto ko ang matcha kapag hot drink. Yun, gusto ko siya. Right?
Really love it.
I like matcha if it's hot drink.
No, for me, cold. Since I...
The ice cream is good. I like the ice cream. Cold Stone, right? That's so good. I love it. This is 20? Oh, this... I feel like it's too strong.
It's almost the same to the...
This is peach, Bellini.
Go before this one.
We have much of sanitizer, right?
More one only for coffee.
But I need lotion.
No, lotion is...
They have 20.
No, but what lotion? We don't have any... We have lotion.
Only one left.
25. We have this. Okay.
No, not 25. There's 20 there. This one I tried is only 20.
Okay, maybe it's better. Maybe they can... This one. This one. This one.
Okay, we'll take this one. Show me. Yeah. But the one I tried is good po. It's 20 dirhams only. This is 25. I'm not sure if it's the same. I think this one. Yeah. Pink tie-dye. This one. Yeah, it's the same, right? Yeah, that's the one.
It's small.
236. The other one is what?
See this? No, no, we take like this.
What is this?
I don't know.
Ah, refill.
Yeah, they have two.
How much is this?
I have no idea.
Ah, I
From
think
here,
this is 70. How many
Why
ml?
so expensive?
Here, in the front. 946 ml.
Ah, so it's worth it.
Yeah.
Because this is
This is 259.
okay, let's say 260.
15.
Let's say 250. Let's say this is 1,000. So this is 4 of this. No, so this is what?
Yeah. Still there?
Okay, we already got what we want.
So, nandito naman tayo sa Urban Outfitters. We're checking. Nag-check po tayo ng mga damit-damit dito. So, ayan na nga siya. Coco, I think this is nice. Look.
It's nice, right?
But it's too expensive. 229. Oh my God.
So yun na nga guys, eto na ang ating Dubai Mall experience. Nakasama kayo. Actually maraming beses na kami nakapunta dito, pero iba pa rin pagkasama kayo. Nakita nyo naman na napakaraming attraction sa loob ng mall. Sa loob lang mall lang yan ha. Sana nag-enjoy kayo guys. So sa uulitin. So eto na nga, may nakita pa tayong magandang sasakyan dito sa parking. So pauwi na po tayo guys. Bye! See you!